Tech in 5.
Dive into Python with a fun game, learn in just 5 minutes.
With our Minesweeper puzzle prepared, let's dive into handling user inputs. In our Minesweeper game, user interaction is key to solving the puzzle. Players can left-click to reveal a cell's contents. Right-clicking allows players to flag a cell as a suspected mine, place a question mark for uncertainty, or remove the marker. These interactions enable strategic puzzle solving of the minefield. First, let's create methods to draw flags and question marks on the grid. The draw flag method visualizes a cell flagged by the player as a suspected mine. We achieve this by drawing a simple yet iconic representation. First, a black line for the pole, followed by a red triangle for the flag. To draw the flag's triangle, we utilize the polygon method in PyGame, as it doesn't offer a direct method for drawing triangles. For cells marked with uncertainty, we use the draw question mark method to draw a question mark character in the center of the cell. This mark indicates the player's hesitation, adding a strategic layer to the gameplay as they ponder their next move. To support these additions, we introduce the absolute position method, designed to convert grid positions into absolute screen coordinates. By inputting a cell's grid position, this method returns the exact X and Y coordinates on the screen, making it easier to precisely place our flags and question marks. This approach, utilizing simple geometric shapes and text rendering, enhances the visual and interactive experience. Now, let's enhance user interaction. In our event handling method, we first check to ensure we're responding to the desired event type, specifically the mouse button down event, which signifies a mouse click. We capture the mouse's position and translate it into grid coordinates, pinpointing the exact cell the player intends to interact with. A left click, indicated by an event button value of 1, triggers the left click action. This method reveals the cell's contents if they are not already shown. Such an action might expose a number, hinting at nearby mines, or potentially unveil a mine, posing a direct challenge to the player's strategy and progress. For a right click, identified by the event's button value of 3, we invoke the right click action method. This action cycles a cell's state from hidden to flagged, from flagged to questioned, and back to hidden again. It equips players with the means to note their suspicions and uncertainties directly on the grid. Through this method of event handling, we empower players to actively engage with the Minesweeper puzzle, making each decision a pivotal part of their game strategy. Now, we can showcase the essential gameplay mechanics. First, left-clicking reveals cells, where numbers indicate adjacent mines. This helps us navigate safely. Next, right-clicking allows us to mark cells we suspect contain mines, first with a flag, then with a question mark for uncertain areas. And a third right-click removes the marker. When we reveal an empty cell, it suggests a safe area with no adjacent mines. For player convenience, we'll introduce a feature to automatically reveal surrounding cells in such cases. Here, we will enhance the left-click action method to automatically reveal surrounding cells when an empty cell is clicked, by implementing a BFS strategy for efficiency and to prevent redundancy. First, we verify whether the clicked cell has already been revealed or flagged. If it has, we take no further action. Next, we place the starting cell into a queue, setting the stage for our breadth first search, BFS. Within the while loop, we remove a cell from the queue and reveal it immediately. If the cell isn't empty, indicating it's either a number or a mine, there's no need for further exploration, and we proceed with the next iteration of the loop until the queue is empty. However, if the revealed cell is empty, we examine its neighboring cells. Should any of them remain hidden, we add these hidden cells to the queue for future revelation. This strategy ensures that we only uncover cells necessary to broaden the player's view of the grid, avoiding redundant and unnecessary reveals. Watch closely as we click an empty cell. Like magic, all connected empty cells and their numerical neighbors are revealed, dramatically expanding our view of the grid in a single, satisfying sweep. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll add even more features to enhance your Minesweeper adventure.
Stay tuned for more videos on Tech in 5.